Hello everybody! Today we're going to learn a vacuum massage technique and going to work with the upper part of your face. This technique will help you improve skin nutrition, tighten it and get rid of wrinkles. So, shall we begin? We're going to start from removing makeup from your face. After that, apply any sliding base. It can be face oil, face gel or face cream. Put the cup between your eyebrows and create vacuum. And slide it upwards, covering all areas of your forehead. The next motion is going to be from the middle of your forehead to the temples. Next motion is resistance. So create vacuum next to your hairline, contract forehead muscles, and slide the cup down against the formed wrinkles. Next, we are going to do circular motions all over the forehead area. So clamp the cup and slide it on the forehead. The next technique is going to relax temple muscles and leave the eyebrow ends up. So clamp the cup next to the end of the eyebrow and slide it up to the hairline. Work it through the whole area. With the next technique, we're going to eliminate the transverse wrinkle. So you are going to use a smaller cup. Apply it on the area of the wrinkle and work it through centimeter by centimeter. Same way you can work through the area between the eyebrows. And last but not least, we're going to work with a small cup in the area around the eye. Apply the cup near the eyebrow end and slide it over the orbital bone. It's important not to touch the thin skin around the eye. This way, you get rid of small wrinkles around the eye. Try not to create a strong vacuum in order not to damage your capillary and to eliminate the chance of getting bruises. If you found this video useful, subscribe to our channel, like this video and recommend it to your friends. Follow the next videos because there I'm going to tell you how to work with the lower part of your face.